In your nice clean laundry room lurks a fire hazard. This lint that builds up is flammable, very flammable. We designed this vent system to be easily cleaned. You want as few bins as you can get, and you want it all metal. Every year, it's important to inspect and clean these systems. Because this is an electric dryer, we can vent some of that precious heat back into the house in the wintertime. This pipe's pretty clean. I've seen a lot worse. But with a vacuum, it won't take much to clean this out. This lint is flammable. Like I said, we designed this system to be cleaned easily. By simply pulling the dryer out, and you can see how easily it slides. We've got an aluminum flex pipe. Watch how easily it disconnects. Without a clamp, it just pulls right off. The clamp's on there, it's just 3 inches away. That way the metal actually sticks out, so you can actually just plug it in. You want to make it easy to clean. That way you do. Now it's best not to use these flex hoses if you don't have to. And if you use them, make sure they're metal. Now we'll use a vacuum to get everything all cleaned up. Just take your time and get that flex hose nice and clean. It's nice when it's easy to clean it. Some are not this easy. Even if it's not easy, it's worth it. Now when you take a look at that hose, nice and clean. Success. Now you can sleep at night. Now we can snap everything together. No tools. Now we'll push that dryer back in one-handed. And that's all she wrote. But wait, let me show you how flammable this lint really is. Just take it out on the ground, put a match to it, and you can see. That was fast. You do not want this stuff in your house. If a spark came from your dryer, look how easy it would go up. So put it on the schedule and get it cleaned up. Well, be safe. I really appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.